Hey guys, it's Victor and Charlie for Yummy Japan, and today we are bringing out something very special.
What is this?
It's our first semi-sponsored free video.
Oh yeah, this is a sponsored video. Should we have made like an something like a magic trick, like the box appears on the table?
And today we're reviewing something very special.
Wow!
Wow, that's pretty cool.
That's magic.
We totally didn't freeze crappy Eddie.
Yeah.
But anyways, today's gonna be kind of like a quick episode. If you haven't noticed from the title down below, this is gonna be our kind of like the finale for season 1 for Yummy Japan.
Yes.
And unfortunately, we weren't able to really go out because both of us have been sick as dogs. Today, we actually got something pretty cool from a company called Zenpop out here in Japan. And Zenpop is one of those subscription services that you can get out here in Japan. Basically, they have like 5 different boxes: stationery, beauty products, snacks,
sweets,
ramen,
sweets ramen,
and stuff like
they got
that.
a mixed one: sweets plus ramen.
Oh,
yeah,
that's nice. But yeah, if you wanted to go ahead and check them out, make sure to go to zenpop.jp, and we want to especially thank them for giving us this box here for us to review. Alright, so without further ado, we are kind of going into this a little bit blind. We did open it up, as you can see here, but we have not really looked at the snacks inside.
Okay, check this out.
This is pretty much what you get here. This is the, let's see,
explanations of what we got today, right?
Oh yeah, it is. But this is the sweets pack, and this is the kohaku pack, which basically means the red and white.
So it's like to celebrate the New Year's, right? Because the Japanese colors of New Year's is red and white.
They also have that one like huge like music TV battle thing called kohaku.
Yeah, that's true.
So they have a red team and they have a white team. So there's a lot of different stuff in here that represents everything. The thing that I find interesting is that like this stuff I've seen occasionally in like the supermarket. I've never seen this.
So this box here is $29.50, right?
This one is $29.50. And then again, you could definitely go over to the website, and the website has like a clear explanation of like all the boxes and how much they cost. Some of them you could actually get for a 3-month or 6-month option.
Subscription, yeah.
But for some of the boxes, you could also get them one at a time as well. So let's go through them. You're gonna be red team, so go ahead and pick something out from the red team first to try.
The bacon habanero potato.
Bacon habanero
We're gonna
potato.
start spicy here. Let's do some spicy stuff.
I'm gonna get the Sapporo potato veggies.
Let's open this.
All right, go for it.
This is not spicy at all.
Really?
I'm disappointed.
Let me try one.
Oh wait. Okay, now it's kicking in.
Now it's kicking in.
Oh. We lost Victor.
No, it's good. It's good. It's tolerable.
Yeah.
It's not really like extremely spicy. No, I'm good. I have to try my veggie potato chips here.
Can you taste all the veggies in there?
No, not really, because they're all kind of like mixed in.
So, out of the two, which is the best?
I would definitely go for these.
Same.
Definitely go for those.
Go red team!
I'm gonna go for something I haven't had before, which is Baby Star Ramen. Now, apparently this has been around for like a while in Japan.
There was a TV show about it yesterday. Explain how they do it. They basically take noodles, ramen noodles, and they fry them, cut them in million pieces, and like add some chicken stock and shoyu.
Oh.
And that's how they make the taste. So basically they're really like ramen noodles, fried ramen noodles.
It's very interesting. Because like when I was little, living in California, the cup noodles, you know, they came with like a variety of flavors and stuff like that. And of course you're supposed to put boiled water into it. I just eat it raw and just use the flavoring and just like pepper it and just take another bite. So I'm already used to that. So having this is kind of like, oh, it's already like broken up for me.
I'm gonna try this. This actually looks crazy spicy. So this is a senbei, so it's a rice cracker, right?
Wow.
Dipped in shoyu, and probably they dipped it in like a mountain of spicy stuff. Wish me luck. Here goes.
So. It's so. No, it's pretty hot. Oh, it's pretty hot!
Oh, it's like not stopping.
Okay, I'm kind of scared now. I'm just gonna get a small piece.
Victor is really not good with spice.
Wow, that has like a lot of like chili and stuff on it. Okay. It has like the sharp kick of spice.
Yeah.
But I'm kind of disappointed because it doesn't have any of the flavor.
Yeah.
As it is now, it's like, it's super spicy.
And it's just spicy.
And that's it.
Yeah. Oh, there's a fish! Well, this looks very chemical. Like,
I have no idea what the hell this is, so. White Gaburi Chew. It's basically chewing candy.
Oh yeah, it is. And I have a puku puku tai, which is shaped as a what is tai in English? It's a sea bream.
It's actually pretty good. It's basically like a consistency of taffy.
Okay.
I think so far this is like the best.
This is weird.
This is like a really shitty waffle cone.
The inside looks like a sponge.
It does. This is like very super artificial.
Yeah, let's put this away. Let's try the choco sand, and this is not sand. This means sando, like sandwich.
I'm gonna try these little mikan. I think these are more kind of like the super old school candies. They come with like a toothpick.
Okay, let's eat some sand.
How's your sand?
That's good.
Well, I got these mikan orange.
They look like pills from when you have the flu or something.
They do, and it's kind of weird because you get like this little toothpick and you're supposed to just like poke at the damn thing, and then I'm not really getting any of the mikan flavor.
Really?
It's just like a jelly consistency.
Yeah.
It's not really sweet.
What is this mystery?
Wait, at the end I'm getting a very soft, subtle hint.
Yeah, it's very subtle. Very subtle indeed. On to the next item.
That's it? Crisp choco. That is a lot less strawberry looking than the box. At least it has no eyes.
It looks like cornflakes. Or like Frosties.
Does it taste like cornflakes?
Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Very artificial. I'm not digging those cornflakes on the top. But maybe you would.
Anyways. Here, do you want to have one of these?
Yay.
Oh no.
Those are perfect.
In regards to like what you're getting for the price, which is like $29.50, like what would you rate this?
I think a good 8 out of 10 for me.
8 out of
Because right now, of course, we're in Japan, so all this is accessible to us. But if I was back in France and like for $29.5, this would be really convenient to have a taste of Japan, basically.
Yeah, that's true, that's true. I think I would give this a 7 out of 10. I mean, I really love the fact that they, like cost performance wise, it's perfect. It's kind of like on the dot. However, some of the selection, I think I would replace with other stuff. But then that's just my personal opinion.
Yeah, of course, that's our personal opinion.
But I mean, like if you haven't had any like snacks from Japan, I think this is like the perfect like icebreaker to learn more about kind of like the snacks that you have. And the thing I think is really cool is just the fact that they have this like write-up that tells you everything about what's included in the box itself and basically what every item is, including like some of the major key ingredients. So I think this alone is actually pretty cool.
Yeah. The shipping also is free, and you can have a tracking. You can track your shipment. I think for like an extra $3 or something.
Yeah. So Zenpop, I think you did a good job.
Yeah. We'll put everything down below. Like
we'll put all the information on how to get to their website link, more description about some of the stuff that we got here today down in the description below. So yeah, let us know what you thought. Now that we are done with the review of Zenpop, I guess it's time for us to explain what it means down in the title below when we say finale. So it is indeed going to be the finale of season 1. It's been a very fun almost year. It's been like 6 months or so.
Yeah, 6 months.
I think it's been pretty good. I mean, we started this channel way back in June.
Something like that, yeah.
June of 2017, and we've gotten all the way up to 20,000 subscribers all the way up to this point. And it's been a very fun ride, and we definitely appreciate all of the loyal subscribers that we've gotten up to this point. Everybody that's always taken their time to comment. Definitely much love. That's pretty much it. It's a season finale, and one of the main reasons for the finale is because Charles and I are going to be leaving. Yes. So we're not going to be leaving Japan, but unfortunately we're going to be moving on to other things. Other projects. So unfortunately Yummy Japan is going to be set on the back burner, and whether the company that we're with wants to revive in the future, we're not sure. But Charles and I are going to be moving forward to different projects. So Charles, thank you very much.
Thank you, Victor.
It's been very fun co-hosting this show, even though everybody thinks we're a couple, but no.
We're not.
We're not.
Just friends.
So make sure to follow Charlie on his channel so that way you can get further updates on whatever he creates.
And make sure to follow Victor on Frame of Travel, because you make photography, and your passion is photography, right?
Yeah. Travel. So my big passion is photography and basically travel out here in Japan. And I'm going to be pretty much moving forward a lot with that this year. So again, make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I don't know, maybe follow me on YouTube. if you could find me, because I might be doing some more travel related videos there in the future. So
nice.
That's pretty much it. In the meantime, recommended accounts. From the top of my head, I would definitely say Tabi Eats.
Yep. Tabi
Eats, those guys are amazing. We unfortunately didn't get a chance to collab with them, but they do cover a lot of stuff about food out here in Japan. Simon Martina are pretty cool. We got Dave Trippin,
yes,
who has his own kind of like unique take on Japan as well.
Very nice guy also. Yeah,
really awesome guy. Solo travel blog. We love his comedy. I think it's absolutely amazing.
Perfect.
And it's funny, it's hilarious. So definitely recommend him.
Chris Broad also?
Chris Broad, definitely when it comes to the travel aspect. Chris Broad is definitely one of our good mates out here.
Yeah.
So really awesome. Who else? I mean, there's so many
yeah.
off the top of our head, but
we should put a list somewhere.
Yeah, we'll put a list down there. We hope you enjoyed the videos thus far, and hopefully we'll see you in our other content. So see you guys later.
Cheers!